Question number 1. What is the meaning of civil engineering? Civil means dealing with civilians at large sectors of the building and structure, laying of road, railways, bridge, canal, dam, and provide ideal environment for comfortable living after detailed tool, proof design and meticulous execution and layerly construction. Question number 2. What is hydration? Hydration is the reaction between cement and water. Question number 3. What is curing of concrete? Curing is the application of water to the concrete surface for the proper hydration to occur. Question number 4. What is the method of curing? Generally, water is applied by various means. The common method of curing are spraying, wet covering of surface, pounding, application of curing compound, steam curing. Question number 5. When an aggregate may be called as flaky? When the least dimension of the aggregate less than 60%, then aggregate may be called flaky. Question number 6. What for quality control of cement? What tests are done? The tests that are required to quality check of the cement: initial and final setting time, soundness, consistency, tensile strength. Question number 7. What is cooping? Cooping is agreement wall to protect the wall from water and environment. Question number 8. Define quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance. Quality assurance is a set activities for ensuring quality and processes by which products are developed. Quality control. Quality control is a set of activities for ensuring quality in products. The activities focus on identifying defect in the actual product produced. Question number 9. What is the deflection and deformation? Deflection is the temporary displacement and deformation is the permanent displacement. Question number 10. What is the development length? Development length is an embedded extra length. Question number 11. What is the difference between working stress method and limit state design method? Working stress method is considered elasticity of material never loaded beyond the elasticity limit, where limit state design method based on plasticity method. Question number 12. What may be the mix proportion of M10 grade of concrete? Cement ratio sand ratio aggregate 1:3:6. Question number 13. What is shuttering? To place the permanent structure, a temporary structure of specified shape and dimension is built on the site, which termed as shuttering. Question number 14. Why I-section beam are preferred? I-section preferred because it provides a large stiffener in lateral direction. It has large moment of inertia. I-section has lowest shape factor. Question number 15. What is the specific gravity of cement? 3.5 in general. Question number 16. What is mean by open graded cement? Open graded egg or have coarser size egg, and as a result of concrete produce more air void. Question number 17. What is mean by TMT bar? TMT means thermomechanically treated. This bar has high strength and high corrosion resistance to the exposed environment. Question number 18. What happens to ordinary cement after casting? Ordinary cement shrink after drying. Question number 19. With what compound of cement the hydration takes place? Silicate, tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate and tricalcium alumina ferrite. Question number 20. What are the leads provided for different RCC member? Footing 50 mm minimum, column 40 mm minimum, beam 25 mm minimum, slab 20 mm minimum. Question number 21. When the possibility segregation is must? Segregation of concrete may occur if the mix to it, if the ratio of coarser aggregate is much more than the other proportion, and coarser grading. Question number 22. How to calculate atmospheric pressure? Absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure or gauge pressure. For example, ABP is equal to ATM or gauge pressure. Question number 23. What are function of column in building? Column is a vertical member of a building which supports structural load transferred by the whole structure through beams. Then after column transferring those load to the footing and foundation through to the land. Question number 25. What are the slump test gauge are required? The slump recommended for mass of concrete is about 25 mm to 50 mm. If you apply for any civil engineering jobs, then these questions are very important for the interview. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos, subscribe our channel.